children. Today we are going to one of the biggest national park of Asia, or you can say that one of the biggest national park of India, that is a Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park is a national park in India located in the Nainital district of Uttarakhand state. It is the first national park in India and is established during the British Raj and is named Halle's National Park. But in 1956, it is renamed Jim Corbett National Park after the name of a great hunter, Jim Corbett. The park was the first to come under the Project Tiger Reserve. In this Corbett Park, the winter nights are cold but the days are bright and the sunny. It rains from July to September. In this national park, we got an opportunity. We will get an opportunity to see many migratory birds, many animals, many reptiles, many amphibians, and one more important thing is that this is the largest national park of India, which has a highest number of the tigers. Approximately 252 inside the Corbett and 266 tigers using this Corbett, using this national park. The Bengal tigers, although plentiful, but they are very rarely for seen because of the abundance of foliage camouflage in the reserve. The thick jungle, Ramganga River, and the plentiful prey make this reserve an ideal habitat for the tigers. The tigers in this park have been known to kill many large animals, buffaloes, big elephants, and there are some incidents of tigers attacking domestic animals also in search of the food. Apart from tigers, there are so many animals like leopards, jungle cat, hawk deer, barking deers, and many more animals which are also has been categorized or seen in this Jim Corbett National Park. There is one more biggest attraction in this Corbett, that is a safari. In safari, the tourists go deep inside the jungle in the open jeep and enjoy the beauty of wildlife and the park also. Jim Corbett National Park is divided into many zones where you can enjoy the wildlife safari or wildlife beauty. For example, Bijrani zone, Tikala zone, Dela zone. The best time to visit this park is December to March. In this season, this is a perfect time when we get a chance to see a tiger in the bright sunny morning. This was all about the Jim Corbett National Park. I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope you all enjoyed this virtual tour. Thank you.